Hi, we are looking at the USDJPY pair, and today it's Sunday, 15th of December 2013, and this signal is for the market's opening. So we are looking at the H4 time frame, and I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, Bollinger Bands, fractals, and stochastics. Let's see the big picture of the pair. So I'm going to the monthly time frame. We see that the pair is about to make a strong bullish Kumo breakout on the monthly time frame, but Chikou span, the green line, has not gone above the Kumo yet, so it is not officially validated for now. But biases are strongly bullish. We go to the weekly time frame. We see that the edge of the leading Kumo is sharp, pointing upwards. Bullish momentum is increasing, and stochastics, although they are in overbought zone and slightly curved, they are not. There is a distance from going down to the 80 level line and making a correction. So it's not correction time yet, and since we see that the edges of the Bollinger Bands are turned outwards like a funnel, we expect an extreme move on the Bollinger Band where the price is, and this is the upper Bollinger Band, so pair will go up for a while before it makes its deep corrective move on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, all biases are bullish, of course, but we had this corrective plunge the last trading day, and we see that Chikou span went down, is anchored down, but it will soon turn upwards and continue going straight up again. We see that the median Bollinger Band goes straight up. There is a clear upward slope of the median Bollinger Band. We see that the edge of the leading Kumo is sharp, pointing upwards, and the bullish momentum is increasing because we see the distance between the upper border of the Kumo, which is second span A, and the lower border of the Kumo, which is second span B, to be increasing. Bollinger Bands show us, in conjunction with stochastics, that the pair wanted to make this minor corrective move before it explodes, continuing its upward move. Stochastics were turned downwards. They crossed below the 80 level line, but now they are going up again, and they will make an effort to also to get inside the overbought zone again. That means that we will have the continuation of the upward move. On the H4 time frame, we see that we had this corrective plunge. The price approached the median Bollinger Band. Biases are so bullish that it didn't have enough strength to go below it and make a swing low below it, but fractals show us that we had a down fractal marginally on the median Bollinger Band, and now we had two bullish candlesticks after that, signifying pairs bullish mood, and things look like we are going to have for the pair we have it resuming its previous uptrend shortly. In the meantime, we see that Chikou span, the green line of Ichimoku Kinko Hio system, made a plunge, but now it's turned upwards, and it remains above past price action and of course above the Kumo, so things are strongly bullish here as well. The leading Kumo, although its edge is not sharp pointing upwards, the distance between the upper and the lower border of the Kumo, between second span A and second span B, is increasing, and everything looks bullish, and we have bullish momentum increasing. Now, the upper Bollinger band's edge is turned outwards. The median Bollinger Band is slightly curved upwards, and the lower Bollinger Band is parallel with a slight curve upwards. Everything looks bullish for now. Stochastics show that they almost touched the 20 level line, and now, as we see from the smaller time frames, it's almost reversal time. There may be one more bearish candlestick here on the H4 time frame, but it will not change market's mood for the pair, which is clearly bullish. Let's go to H1 time frame. On H1 time frame, we see that the pair, according to stochastics, was already on its reversal, on its bullish reversal course, but the last couple of hours, because we had this week of the last candlestick, we had stochastics, the fast stochastic, angled downwards. This is minor, and we expect it to go straight up as soon as markets open again. Let's go to M30. On M30, we see that we had this angle, but the angle is on stochastics, but the angle is going up again, is slowly turning up again. And M15, on M15 we had a clear upward course of stochastics. Okay, on M5 the pair just made a bullish Kumo breakout. Let me see if it is valid. Yes, it is valid, because Chiku span is going straight up above past price action and above the Kumo, and as I have told you on my push notifications, and as I have written also, I have found out that after a corrective move, the first solid criterion that the pair is resuming its prior move, its prior trend, is a strong bullish Kumo, bullish or bearish depending on the correction, a strong Kumo breakout on the M5 time frame, and we just had it here for USDJPY. On M1 time frame, things look strongly bullish. Okay, although stochastics show a corrective mood for now, but we had a Bollinger Band's contraction and an expansion and a breakout on the M1 time frame. Of course, here the whole world goes upside down in minutes, but I can hardly imagine things turning bearish, because I see a lot of bullish action going on here. So yes, things are clearly bullish. So back to H4, you can enter long, you can buy at 103.22 or lower, but I guess that we are going to have a gap, and price and markets will open with the price jumping higher anyway. 103.22 is a point of reference for your entry. You can put your stop loss 150 pips below. You could put it a few pips below this fractal here, just below the Kumo. You can put it below the lower Bollinger Band, but I have found out that placing our stop 150 pips below our entry, away from our entry, keeps us safe from headaches during the fluctuations of the pair before it goes into the profits zone. Okay, so you don't want to have this headache also, being afraid that the price will hit your stop loss at any minute, especially if you have to go away and monitor your trades after hours or after many hours. Okay, so place your stop there at 101.7375, somewhere there, and once you see that the pair is in profits, your account is in profits, and you monitor the trade from the H4 time frame and you are in profits, then you can switch to M15 time frame. And when you see on M15 time frame the price, it will have gone up here, and for instance it starts turning downwards, and you see a bearish candlestick crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, which is the red line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system. When you see that, and when you see stochastics being curved downwards and crossing below 80 level line, confirming this, then you can exit and save your profits and wait for the reverse conditions to happen for you to enter long again. The reverse conditions will be after this corrective move. If you see a bullish candlestick crossing and closing above Tenkan-sen, with stochastics confirming that price goes up, then you enter long, you buy again, and you continue riding the trade and the trend, which is going to be very strong. Okay. If you want to go, let me see, if you want to go to be more to let the trade run, then you may use the trailing stop system. You just insert indicators PSAR, go to trend, parabolic SAR, and once you are in profits, you start trailing your stop at the dot, at the PSAR's dot on the H4 time frame. Okay, this is another method, but I'm more in favor of the one I described to you already. So thanks for watching, and I wish you a lot of happy pips.